what it tells us, what the book of Job tells us about the relationship of humans to God and God to humans, is that it is meant to be a relationship of love between one mind and will and another mind and will. It is meant to be a face-to-face relation. It's meant to be a person-to-person relation. And it's meant to be a relationship characterized by joy. So when Job sees God, he is awed by the beauty of God, the majesty of God, the splendor and the glory of God. But nonetheless, what Job says to God is, you. He says, I had heard of you by the hearing of the ear, but now my eye sees you. And that is the heart of the relationship between God and human beings. Each can say you to the other. So if you think of relationship to God as a relationship to it, or the relationship to the ground of all being, or a devastated distance from the incomprehensible deity, you have missed the right relationship. It is a relationship in which God says you to you, and you say you to God. That's, I think, the main idea.